How to stop a nosebleed. Nosebleed, also known as epistaxis, are a common complaint which can occur spontaneously. Nosebleed occur when tiny lining of a nose hurt or dry. The resulting damage to small blood vessel in the nose induce bleeding. Almost all nosebleed originate from blood vessel in the front part of the nasal septum, which is inside the middle tissue separating both nostrils. Nosebleed occur more frequently in patients with nasal allergy, sinusite, hypertension, or bleeding disorder. 1. If you understand the cause of nosebleed and how to handle them, you can better manage your own nosebleed. Performing first aid during a nosebleed. Position your body. If you don't know how serious it to your nosebleed, you can perform some first aid at home during a nosebleed to help stop it. To begin, sit down, since it is more comfortable than standing. Tilt it forward so that blood drains through the nostril. At all can bend your nose to collect the blood. Don't lead on it can cause blood to pass down the throat. Compress the nose. With a finger on tombe, pinch the lower flexion of the nose, completely blocking the nostril. Pinching at the point directly apply pressure at the region where the blood vessels are damaged. Make the move more effective since it will help stop the flow of blood. Keep pinching the nose for 10 minutes, 10 rolls. If bleeding continue, reapply pressure for another 10 minutes. Will you dirty, breathe through mouth. Cool yourself down. Lowering your body temperature can help produce the blood flow to your nose. To dirty, place ice cube in your mouth. Help achieve a low temperature soon calling at external part of the nose. It also will help you retain the low temperature for longer. More effective en placing a cold compress over the nose. Cold compress placed over the nose are not very effective according to a recent clinical study. You can also suck on a popsicle to achieve some result. Use oxymetazoline nasal spray. Will you have a nosebleed on a regular basis, you can try a medicated nose spray if you don't know have blood pressure issue. The medication cause constriction of the blood vessel in your nose. To use, take a small clean cotton ball or gauze piece, add 2 drops of the spray to it, insert them into the nostril, continue pinching the nostril, and check for bleeding after 10 minutes. 3. If bleeding has stopped, don't remove the cotton or gauze for a bout an hour, because bleeding can reoccur. Use of the drug, which is more than 3-4 days at time, can cause addiction en nasal congestion. 4. The spray are used only if bleeding does not stop on pinching the nose after the first 10 minutes. Wash your nose and rest. After bleeding has stopped, you can clean the area around your nose with warm water. After you have cleaned your face, you should rest for a while. To help to prevent further bleeding. You can lie down while resting. Preventing future nosebleed. Be gentle on your nose. Since nosebleed can be caused by personal action, there are some preventative methods that will help you prevent nosebleed in the future. You should avoid picking your nose. Picking can cause an injury to the sensitive blood vessel of the nose. It can also detach blood clot covering previously injured blood vessel and cause further bleeding. You should also keep your mouth open while sneezing to prevent expulsion of air through the nose. You should keep the lining of your nose moist by gently apply a coating of petroleum jelly or nasal gel inside your nose with a cotton swab twice a day. 5. Always blow your nose gently and do it on side at time. You should also clip the fingernails of children to avoid further injury. Buis à humidifier. To increase the humidity in your environment, you should buis à humidifier. You can use a humidifier or more work to prevent excessive dryness, especially in the winter time. If you don't know how to humidify, a metal container with water can be placed on top of it in radiator to humidifier. Increase your fiber intake. Constipation can lead to being done to pass a stool, which cause an increase in nosebleed because it strains your blood vessel. Tican increase arterial pressure momentarily and dislodge blood clot covering previously injured blood vessel, which can eventually result furte nosebleed. Constipation can be prevented by eating food in fiber and increasing your fluid intake. Eat fiber to keep stool soft. Do no burden during bowel movement, since it increased intracerebral arterial pressure to be increasing the chance of small sensitive blood vessel rupture in the nose. 6. Eating 6 to 12 prunes a day are more effective than dietary fiber en cambuzet to prevent constipation. 7. You should also avoid autant spicy food. It can dilate blood vessel and precipitate bleeding. Use saline nasal spray. Saline nose spray can be used several times to keep the nose moist. 9. These nasal spray are no addictive at only contain salt. If you don't want to buy them, you can make your own. To make your own, take a clean container. Mix 3 zipping teaspoon of iodide free salt and round teaspoon of baking soda. Mix both the powder to jeter. Then take 1 teaspoon of the powdered mixture and add it to 8 ounces of lukewarm distilled boiled water. Mix well. Yet more flavonoid. Flavonoid, which are a group of natural chemical compound processing citrus fruit, can improve fragility of blood capillary. 11. Because of tea, you should consider increasing your consumption of citrus fruit. Hot food with high flavonoid content include parsley, onion, blueberry and hot berry, black tea, green tea Hollande, banana, all citrus fruit, ginkgo biloba, red wine, buckthorn, and dark chocolate, with a cocoa content of 70% or greater. You should not take flavonoid supplement, such as ginkgo peel, quercetin tablet, grape seed extract, and flax seed, because they result in high flavonoid content and eventual toxicity. Understanding nosebleed. Learn the type of nosebleed. Type of nosebleed rely on which part of the nose the bleeding come from. In anterior nosebleed, bleeding arises in the front part of the nose. You can also have a posterior nosebleed, where bleeding originates in a part of the nose. Nosebleed can also be spontaneous with an unidentifiable cause. Not cause. There are many causes for nosebleed. When you get on, you should assess which of the cause is most likely to result you go your nose blanc avoid situation if all possible in the future. You can get a nose blue because of self-induced trauma, mostly a result of nasal picking. It most common cause in young children. Other causes include substance abuse of drugs such as cocaine, blood vessel disorder, blood clotting disorder, and trauma to the head or face. Environmental factors such as low humidity, which command during the winter, can induce mucosal irritation and bleeding. Incidence of nasal bleeding increases in colder weather. Infection of the nose and sinus can cause a nosebleed. Allergy can also cause mucosal inflammation, which lead to nosebleed. In some special cases, migraine in children have also been proposed as causative. 14. Trauma to the face can also cause a nosebleed to occur. Avoid certaines situations. If you get a nosebleed, you should avoid certaines situations action which may make it worse. Do no backward. May cause blood to run down your throat, which could induce vomiting. You should also avoid speaking and cooking. Tea can irritate the nasal mucosa and rebleeding can occur. If you have to sneeze while your nose is bleeding, you should try to expel the air through your mouth so you don't hurt your nose or cause more bleeding. Do no blow or pick the nose, especially if the bleeding is occurring. You can dislodge formed blood clot and bleeding can occur. Visit doctor. There are certain situations when you need to visit a doctor. If the bleeding is severe, more than a drop, last more than 30 minutes, and occur frequently, you should see a doctor. 15. You also need to seek medical attention if you become extremely pale, fatigued, or disoriented. It can occur as a result of significant blood loss. if you have difficulty breathing, especially if blood pass down your throat, you need to see a doctor. T can lead to irritation en cooking. 3 a chance of infection aerosol, which can eventually cause breathing issue. You should always a doctor if the nose bleeding aerosol of severe injury to the nose. You should also see a doctor if you have a nosebleed while you are taking medicine to prevent blood clotting, such as warfarin, clopidogrel, or a diazepam.